Another day, another story.
Hi, and welcome to this YouTube video about the best Forex trading strategies for beginners.
If you're new to Forex trading, then this video is for you. We will explore the basics of Forex trading, the risks and rewards, and the top strategies to help you succeed in the Forex market. Part 1. Forex Trading Basics. Forex trading involves buying and selling currencies, and it's the largest financial market in the world. The Forex market is open 24/7 and is accessible to anyone with an internet connection. The main currencies traded are the US dollar, euro, Japanese yen, British pound, and Swiss franc. To start trading, you need to choose a reputable Forex broker, open a trading account, and fund it. Part 2. Risks and rewards of Forex trading. While Forex trading can be profitable, it's important to understand the risks involved. The Forex market is highly volatile, and prices can fluctuate rapidly. Leverage can amplify your profits, but it can also increase your losses. Successful traders manage their risks by using stop-loss orders and proper position sizing. The rewards of Forex trading include the potential for high profits, the ability to trade in a global market, and the opportunity to work from anywhere. Part 3. Best Forex trading strategies for beginners. Now let's explore some of the best Forex trading strategies for beginners. 1. Price action trading. This strategy involves using price charts to analyze market trends and make trading decisions. It's a popular strategy among traders who prefer a simple and intuitive approach. 2. Technical analysis. This strategy involves using charts and technical indicators to identify trading opportunities. Technical analysis is a great way to get a better understanding of market trends and patterns. 3. Fundamental analysis. This strategy involves analyzing economic and political events to identify trading opportunities. It's a more complex strategy but can be very effective in predicting long-term trends. 4. Trend following. This strategy involves following the direction of the market and opening trades in the same direction as the trend. It's a popular strategy among traders who prefer to ride the momentum of the market. 5. Swing trading. This strategy involves holding trades for a few days or weeks, taking advantage of short-term price fluctuations. It's a good strategy for traders who prefer a less stressful approach to trading. But one thing that many people don't know about Forex trading for beginners is the importance of using a demo account. A demo account is a practice account that allows traders to simulate trading without risking real money. This is an invaluable tool for beginners as it allows them to test out different trading strategies, get a feel for the market, and gain experience without the fear of losing money. Using a demo account can help beginners to develop their trading skills and confidence before they start trading with real money. It also enables traders to test out new strategies and techniques without risking their capital. Many reputable Forex brokers offer demo accounts for free, and it's highly recommended that beginners use this tool to their advantage. In addition, using a demo account can also help traders to understand the importance of proper risk management. It's essential to have a trading plan that includes a risk management strategy, such as using stop-loss orders, to limit potential losses. By practicing with a demo account, beginners can get a better understanding of how risk management works and why it's crucial for success in Forex trading. Using a demo account is a crucial step that many people overlook when starting with Forex trading. It's an excellent way to gain experience and develop skills without risking real money. By incorporating a demo account into their trading education, beginners can improve their chances of success in the Forex market. So, there you have it, some of the best Forex trading strategies for beginners. Remember, Forex trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and it requires dedication, discipline, and a willingness to learn. The key to success is to have a trading plan, manage your risks, and be patient. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your Forex trading journey. Thanks for watching.